Hello everybody, my name is Austin from Acura, and today I will be giving you guys a tutorial on how to turn on and off the road mitigation assist feature on a 2020 Acura ILX. So in order to access that feature, you must go to the left side of the steering wheel, and it should be on the very left side of all these three buttons right here. So in order to turn it on or off, you must just press the button. No green light means it's off. Turn it on, that means it's on. So the purpose of this feature is, for example, if the driver is swerving off their own lane, the car will apply mild torque steer to keep you back into lane. And yeah, that will be it on this feature. My name is Austin from Acura, and thanks for watching.